restaurants. A wide variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, including exotic items not typically found in supermarkets. Supplying fresh produce to local restaurants and cafes around the Gold Coast region. Many shoppers highlight the affordability and freshness of the fruits and vegetables available. One satisfied customer remarked, "Great prices."